So here's just a quick video of the finished product, or the finished project. Here's the tree lit up with two different types of LEDs. So this one is a bit different than the one that took apart. The board is flipped over, but basically is the same as the non-colored ones, except it does have transistor drivers. You can see them right through there. Transistors. That is driving each of the RGB channels. And as I was describing, the 4-wire lead coming out for red, green, blue, and common. Everything else in here, well, it's covered up by some tape because I taped the whole wired thing together on to the back of this thing. Just to, not as neat and tidy as I had liked, but I wanted to get it done, and it can be easily hidden. It is all low voltage at 5 volts, so we're not worried about any kind of fire or shock hazard here. But this will be running pretty much continuously for the next 3 to 4 weeks, so we'll see how it does with an actual implementation. The lights do appear to be a bit brighter. I just dimmed them down with the same dimming function that the white lights have. I did notice that this color box, I know when you drive the blue and the reds together, it can pull about 1.5 or 2 watts out of this battery box. It's all completed. It's running one set of white LEDs, these guys right here, just directly, and the other one goes right to the battery box. The way when they flipped the board over, I couldn't just solder directly to the battery positive, battery negative. I could only get access to battery negative. With all the hot glue I messed around with before, I thought, no, I'm not going to even try it. So I just tacked to the battery positive pad and then on the arm of the battery negative. So it's easy just to unsolder this, throw batteries back in it, it'll work just like it did before. So that's how it looks. So there it is on the bottom. Just tack to the battery positive terminal and then to the battery negative terminal. Have another crystal here. It's the same 8-pin chip, and there are the 3 transistors driving each of the LEDs instead of the one. And I think that one was that circular package, or the I'll show a picture of it. That was on the other board, but this guy right here is the IR receiver. So anyways, it's working good. The lights are on, and I'll keep an eye on it over the next few weeks and report back if anything goes boom. I guess just for the sake of completeness, this does run down, excuse the soldering iron and everything else that was used for this, but this does run down here to an ice cube charger, a 5-watt charger, and I plugged it in, and it's drawing about 2 to 2.5 watts for both the strands. If I crank the brightness up all the way on the colored strand, I have it right now at about half brightness, and it's about 1.5 watts. So it's easily within the range of that 5-watt charger before it starts to fold back. So anyways, I think it looks pretty good. Saves me from having to do any sort of battery changes in this particular setup, and makes the tree look nice. So just a quick follow-up. The lights have been running for over 3 weeks now, and there have been no issues. Hope you have happy holidays and a happy new year, and I'll see you in the next one.